ang danger pag sobrang pagod ka bago matulog. Alam mo ba na kailangan mo ng certain level of energy to be able to sleep when you are exhausted or depleted? Kumbaga sa term natin, low bat, hindi ka makakatulog or mahihirapan kang matulog. So kung sa tingin mo, pag pinagod mo yung sarili mo by going to the gym, exercising, or maglaro ng sports, thinking na pagdating mo sa bahay, pagod ka na at makakatulog ka na, you're wrong. Either nakahiga ka, sobrang pagod, pero gising, or nakatulog ka, pero yung quality ng sleep mo, hindi maganda. Sa pagising mo the next day, pagod ka pa rin. So, anong tamang gawin? Paano natin mamamaximize yung pag-exercise natin to help us to go to sleep? Piliin ang tamang time ng exercise. Better to exercise early in the day rather than closer to your bedtime. Or, kung mag-exercise ka naman sa gabi, then do less strenuous exercises. So, maybe some stretching, gentle yoga, and not yung intense na nagbubuhat ka ng sobrang bigat and you're exerting so much effort. So, choose wisely. Exercise is helpful. It can help you to fall asleep, but do it at the right time and in moderation.
Ask Dina.